think for me it was sort of a key learning that Wavin was owned by Shell and how the company was created. So obviously all that experience and knowledge gives it a great boost to the image and the value add and the knowledge it has over the years.
Wavin is a good company worldwide and it's also strong in the GCC countries. Have a lot of products and also a wide range of solutions.
It's a very reputed company. It is always available easily and contractors are always happy to use this Wavin.
Well, Wavin is known worldwide. They're very well reputed around the world and they have a very strong local presence as well. Their quality is very high and we're very satisfied as well with them.
By opposites. When it's night, it cannot be day. When it's wet, it cannot be dry. And when it's innovative and groundbreaking, it cannot be proven and reliable.
Wavin has #1 and #2 positions in almost any country in Europe. Wavin in the last 20 years has developed so many different technologies on water management, on siphonic roof drainage, on floor heating and cooling, on let's say sewer systems, that we were, let's say, the absolute leader in innovative solutions. We are selling in 15 countries. A big number of distribution partners that we sell to, that we partner with. This is a picture which tells a lot. We are strong in above ground and below ground. That's quite unique. So if you look at already on the soil and waste part, we are able to supply PE soil and waste, PVC soil and waste, PP soil and waste, and the number of variety of fittings that come with that is extensive. So we have everything well prepared and developed, where, for example, manholes, inspection chambers, we're already here for 20 years.
I think the research which Wavin puts into its products and development is something which is great. There's a lot of experience of years, and that obviously gives an added value to the customers through the R&D research.
Actually, it's a quality, flexibility and high service level.
It's a good technical support, always available in the market and easy to access.
So we see them as a leading brand. They have great quality, high quality, flexibility and high level of performance.
So with SciTech we improve in 3 steps. The first one that we improved in the new SciTech is the weight of the fittings and the pipe. We improved the installation features, so we made it more robust and we changed also the color. We changed the color from the light blue that we had before in the strong black color. So we improved also the texture. We inserted the Wavin and the SciTech Plus brand. Rib socket, insertion depth check on the fittings. And we put also the angular rotation guide. So improved also the number and the range of the fittings. Important to the Fraunhofer test is also the Wavin South Check. Wavin South Check is a specific software that we use to create how is really, as much as possible, is a building. This is a sketch of the software, so you can choose if you want to find the decibel in this room, or Revit is a software that is working in the BIM world. And as Wavin create different packages for above system, and then in the next year we increased also the product range for the below system. So sewer, manholes, basins, every kind of sewer system. This is an image that shows you how could be an output of using our packages. So for example, in this image you can see the AS pipe, the multi-layer insulated pipe for sanitary water. Of packages we reach more advantages. The product check view template also give an help to the customer to give a total overview of the product that they used and they found if this product is present in the product catalog or not. Benefit using the BIM Revit in total, because as I said before, we gain a lot of time saving and also the cost saving during the design phase, more important during the installation in this construction in the building site. Summary of the benefits. Of course, the benefits will cover three typology during the construction of the building: the design phase, the construction phase, and the operation phase.
Well, the way I see Dubai and the region is obviously growing. There are projects which are coming up, and therefore we see value in introducing new suppliers to Wavin, where they can actually work together in delivering value to both parties.
As an engineer, I see Wavin as an important partner. They came up with a lot of products, innovative solutions will help us in the future.
We are basically, Wavin is an important partner, and we see they are innovating day by day everything new in the market, and this really gives good support to the local requirement.
Well, I see Wavin as a very important partner with us. I see us as working very closely together and building a very strong future as in business partners.
It was great in terms of some of the key learnings and the new products coming in. Obviously, people from the industry, technical people would value such things, but I think seminars like this increase the knowledge for everybody across the industry.
We learn new information, and we also know about the new products that I like it. It was like very useful.
It was excellent, and it's a very nice presentation.
It was great, very helpful, got to know more about the product, and very well satisfied.